Hola amigos y amigas. You know that September 15 through October 15 is the National Hispanic Heritage Month. And today we're going to celebrate it big by making a traditional Mexican dish with fried tortillas. Oh, it's going to be so delicioso. So we're going to make chilaquiles rojas. Of course, rojas mean red sauce. You can also make with green sauce, verde, and it's so easy. But today, I'm going to show you easy recipe to make red chilaquiles. Chilaquiles rojas. And it's so easy and it's delish. So come on, let's go. Vámonos. Okay, so for the ingredients, it's simple. You need tomatoes, garlic, onion, and you need chili, jalapenos, y serranos. Now, that's up to you how many peppers you want, depend on how much heat you want. Also, you need some guajillos, which is chili pod, and also little red dried chilies here. I also soaked overnight the guajillo so that it's a little pliable and easy to blend. Okay, and you're gonna cut the onion, roughly cut the onion and tomato and garlic. We're gonna boil this and we're going to blend it. And for topping, you want to get some radish so that you can have the heat and the cooled radish. Okay, and also you want a little hot sauce. Okay. And you want crema mexicana, or regular sour cream will do. And there's different kind of cream you can put on top. And also cojita cheese. Okay, there's a lot of different kinds of cojita cheese in Mexican supermarkets. Any of the Hispanic supermarket you'll find them. They already grind this stuff. And I sliced the radish and thin slices. Gonna look pretty on top of the chilaquiles. And of course, the main ingredients of this is the tortilla. Corn tortilla. The fresher it is, the better. As you can see, I am boiling the tomato, the onion, the jalapenos, and garlic. So you boil them for about like 15 minutes until the onion kind of translucent and the tomatoes kind of soft. You can see the skins begin to peel. That's good enough. So you're ready to go. So we transfer it all in the blender and we're ready to blend it. And also, after we add it all, don't forget your guajillo. We're gonna make it so pretty, it's so aromatic here. You can smell it, okay? And then of course you want to put a little juice of the guajillo. Make it smoky, okay? And we're gonna add a little salt to season. So the first thing you need to do is to cut the tortillas in the little triangular shapes or in little strips. That's up to you. I like triangle shape. So, and you can make it big, and you can make it small. And actually, if you say, why can you buy chips instead of cutting this? Well, you can do that too, but this way it's fresher. We're gonna fry them, and then we're going to pour the sauce over, and we're gonna dress it up with the toppings. I can't wait for this. Okay, to fry the chips, you need some kind of skillet. I use cast iron because it's much better. And we're gonna make the chilaquiles inside the cast iron. You need oil, okay? I use vegetable oils right here. Not maybe a quarter of the way, not so much. Okay, looks like the oil is ready. And you know how when it's ready, if you put a little bit, there's tiny bubbles around, surround it. That means it's ready. So we're gonna fry them chips up. Doesn't have to be super crunchy. Be careful though, not to burn the tortilla. Okay, and you put it in a paper towel to soak it. Okay, so that's, you're gonna keep frying and let the oil soak through the paper towel. Okay, so everything is ready now to put it together. Yay! So you want a little oil, just tiny little oil. Okay. So we have enough oil in there. And then we're gonna lay the chip. Okay, and we're gonna pour a little sauce over it. Oh, that smells good. I put the cojita cheese and if you want to, diced onion. So beautiful. And cilantro if you want. Look at how pretty it is. It's just gorgeous. Red, green, and white. That's the flag, colors of the Mexican flag. Gorgeous. So here you are. That's Chilaquiles Rojas. Muy delicioso. As you can see how easy it is to make chilaquiles rojas at home. Don't forget to check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and online at anaheim.net/continued services for amazing programs and other events to come. And happy eating!